close kayo pag gagawin itong show na to? Or okay na kahit hindi super as long as ma-deliver yung mga awayan and harapan?
Well, in the beginning kasi kailangan mapaniwala namin kayo na ilang years na yung history ng friendship namin, di ba? So in the beginning, we made sure na talagang nag-build kami ng rapport, di ba? Kasi minsan yung kahit na simple yung culture, simple tinginan ninyo, magtatawaran kayo, alam nyo kahit na walang words. Di ba ganun yung magkaibigan ng matagal na panahon? So, I think yun yung very intentional namin ginawa ni Carla. At the beginning, we had to build that rapport since it's our first project together. Good thing, nung nag-vlog, she guested on my vlog, parang somehow naman, parang we were able to build it na. And then eventually, nung naging rivals na yung characters namin, nag-away na kami. I guess, mas madali yung part na yun. I guess, because hindi naman namin siya chronologically na shinu, but somehow may mga nauna na yung part na namatay yung tatay niya. Nakita niyo si ADP kanina, namatay din ako ng tatay. So parang may pinanggagalingan na. And then it also helps na yung families namin magkaaway. So yung energy na yun parang nakukuha na namin. I don't know. For me, that's what happened. Same.